Okay, so this is a bokeh test. I want to see the comparison of this Sigma 30mm f1.4 lens, the bokeh compared to a full frame. I'm gonna compare it to Tamron 28-75 f2.8 because f1.4 is supposed to be just like f2.8 on full frame. So I want to see the difference. Alright, so this clip is shot with the Sigma 30mm f1.4. Now let's switch to the Sony. I'm gonna shoot with Sony A7SII. Alright. Okay, so right now I'm shooting on the Sony A7SII, and I'm at about 30mm f2.8. I'm using I'm using 30mm because it's the same focal length as the Sigma 30mm, even though they are for different coverage of the sensor. Effectively, this 30mm Sigma lens should behave like a 60mm, but at first I want to test at the exact same physical focal length. How do they compare? Alright, I can actually get pretty close to the lens. Alright, now I'm gonna zoom in to about 60mm. And now I want to see the difference between this bokeh and the Sigma 30mm f1.4. Which one is better? Which one is better, my friend? I don't know. I have to have a look when I export this video into my computer. Alright. Took forever